A common question I get a lot of the time is what age is appropriate to start receiving chiropractic care? And it's a really easy answer. It's right from birth. A baby can start getting adjusted right out of the womb. We always, as chiropractors, we first check the nervous system. We check the spine, seeing if there is a misalignment that's interfering with the nervous system, interfering our way to experience life and express our full potential of life.
We got all the kids, including Drew.
No, what movie is it? What's the name?
I love working with kids because they come in with so much excitement, so much joy, and you can actually see immediately the change that the adjustment has upon them.
Let me see it!
How come? You don't like vegetables?
No.
What about fruits?
Yes.
You like fruits? Okay, good. What kind of fruits do you like?
Strawberry, grape, and peach.
Ooh, yum.
Banana.
And banana.
And orange.
And orange.
I drink
That's a
orange.
good assortment of fruits. We like colorful fruits. The more colors we eat, the better. But I didn't hear any green stuff in there. We need some green stuff.
No.
No?
Kiwis.
Kiwis? Okay. I'll take some kiwis.
We want to help correct the structure of kids' spines so later down the road they don't have to be experiencing degeneration, aches, pains, headaches, migraines, whatever it might be. We want to house the nervous system in a structure and an environment for it to thrive, heal. We want to make the body more resilient to all the stress that humans take upon.
In our body, an environment to heal. Let me have you lay on your right braces. We kind of have like braces for your spine when you're here. Yeah, I see it.
I gotta get rainbow braces.
Rainbow braces?
Rainbow braces?
We kind of do some braces for your spine here, huh? When you lay on traction over there. Like if your teeth are crooked.
Mateo's sister Camilla, she came in after Mateo, after his mom was so thrilled to see him running, jumping, and being his normal self. And she noticed that Camilla was having some right hip pain, and she had an altered gait, meaning an altered way of walking.
Right over here.
I want to do movie night.
Movie nights? What movie?
Elsa.
Elsa?
We found that she had a major hip imbalance. She originally had a leg that was shorter than another. Hip displacement is very common. It can start from childhood and progress into something much more severe in adulthood, where we can actually get hip replacements. It's such a beautiful thing to work with kids so we can actually change the trajectory of their life to avoid any drugs and surgery.
Yeah. Roar! Mateo, you getting excited for your adjustment? That dinosaur's got some bones.
T-Rex.
T-Rex?
We aligned the spine and she started feeling a lot better. She no longer has any hip pain. She's able to dance and play around with her little brother in a pain-free way.
Right through here. Amazing.
Your eye surgery?
What up here, sweetie? We're gonna go put some braces on your spine. What's up, man? Give me some skin. You been shooting webs today? Mateo's mother brought him in because she noticed that he was having difficulty with jumping and running and playing, and she asked him if he was experiencing pain within his low back.
Within Mateo's x-rays, he had a lot of rotation and torsion within his spine. That's going to cause stress and pressure on his nervous system. which is going to interfere with his body's ability to naturally heal. When you have a lot of rotation within the spine, it's going to alter the way the muscles fire. So you can have some muscles that are overworking, some muscles that are underworking, and it can cause a lot of dysfunction and pain.
We got a spine, a shin bone, a scapula. We have all those in our body. Are we dinosaurs too? Maybe. Huh? Maybe. Come on up this way, big man.
When I adjust Mateo, he gets really calm, he gets sleepy, and he's like ready to go for a nap. Our healing state is our parasympathetic state, that is our rest, digest, heal, and recover. So working with kids, you can see them get into this healing state, and they have such a calm tone about their body, so you can just tell they're really healing.
Just like that. Yeah. Mateo, we're gonna get some motion in here. Yeah. We're gonna get some beautiful motion, some little pop sounds. Give me a big breath in. And breathe it all the way out. Good. Nice. That was perfect, big man. That was perfect. Oh, there you are. Let's bring this hand forward. Yeah. Good. Right in this area of the dinosaur. Right in the low back, right in the hips. You're big man. I got you. Boom. That was easy. Now, tell me, what's going on with these feet? Did you just want to show me your socks? You just wanted to show me the socks, huh? Let's see. Right there, big man. Nice and easy. Oh, wow. That was so cool. Uh-huh. We're gonna adjust your neck here. Okay, let's do this. Hands here. Feet nice and straight. Red, like tomatoes.
Strawberry and grape.
Ooh, strawberries and grapes. Yummy. Those are fruits. We're gonna come in.
Banana.
I love bananas. Right here, right, nice and loose. Perfect. Nice. Woo! All done. Easy. High fives. Oh, goodness, you got so strong. Coming up this way. Oh. My face down. How's your amazing body, Ben?
Good.
2 thumbs up. Beautiful. Feet are aligned.
Karis is another one of our young practice members. Karis is 9 years young, and she is a very athletic, artistic young woman. She's actually preparing for a dance recital next month. She initially came in with neck pain.
3, 2, 1. Nice, sweet. Lift your head up for me. Drop it in my hand. Give me a big breath in. And out. Good. No help. Nice and loose. Good. Stretch. Perfect. All right. Let's go face up, please. What's your favorite part? We're going after that then. Single time. No. One of the only ones that laughs during muscle work. There we go. You getting so ticklish your shoes are falling off? There we go. We got a few more in here. And 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Was that hard to hold in the tickles? Come here. This is the low part of your neck. We're gonna bring that head way over. There we go. And bring the chin up just a little bit. Drop the head. You called it. That was a big one. What do you think? Like a little small with like a side of medium?
Yeah.
Okay. I concur. Right over here. Chin up a little bit. Beautiful. And we're going to bring that head over here.
Yeah, I'll let him know that
There it is. Nice and easy, Chris. I think that was medium with the side of small. Yeah. Just like so. Loose with those hips. Boom. Awesome. How are those feet? They've been moving well? There we go. Whoa. How's that pressure, Chris?
Good.
Too much? Too little? Just right? We'll go a little bit more. You ready to go off and dance now?